Hey, what's up, good people? It is a Sunday. It's a blessing to be before you guys. Forgive the eyes if they look tired. Been here at InvestFest and we'll be heading back Monday morning. But guys, I just want to talk about the market real quick and then my Sunday inspiration. I'm going to shout out Gregory Millins right now. Just heard him on stage and he does a wonderful presentation. I love the inspiration of that brother. But let's talk about the market first. You guys know I don't trust this market, right? You guys know I don't trust what happened Friday. It was good. My portfolio's appreciated. I am up. The market keeps going up. Over a long period of time, the market only wants to continue to go up. In reality, it just does. Zoom out over a 10, 20, or where your chart just says all, and you will see that the stock market literally wants to go up. So we have these ebbs and flows, right? But as it stands right now in this cycle, in this boom bubble burst cycle, I think that Friday was too much. The jobs data was not as bad as expected, but it's still bad. The overall job market is weakening. There are less jobs being posted. So you got to look at that. There are less jobs being posted, and that has a lot to do with the strength of the job market. The Fed, his two main concerns is the overall economy, should I say three, okay? Inflation and jobs. And when the job market starts taking a hit, you got to put that in the scenario. And I just think that Friday's positivity was good. I enjoyed it. I'm not bearish. I'm not one of these guys that come out every single video and say, this is going to be the worst crash since, the Great Depression. That's not me. We were bullish all through 2024, bullish all through 2025. You guys have made money with me, and bullish all the way until now. We trade the market that we're in. But I am saving some dry powder because I know I talked about SpaceX on the last couple of ones. SpaceX is overvalued, overinflated. I'm going to wait. Please hold. I'll wait. I'll wait for it to come down. I don't care how high it gets. It's going to come back down when these insane amounts of shares get dumped. Though we had some shares get dumped on in the market and it went up. If you bought it, that's fine. You'll make money eventually. I'm just not going to try to time it to the exact right point or the absolute bottom, but I am going to get in at a more realistic value, okay? As far as the overall stock market, it just keeps going up. And in the prior videos, I was saying I expected a 8% pullback. Market keeps going up, then I expect a 10% pullback. That's what I expect now. If we have a green day on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, if next week closes more green than red or flat, it's okay if the market stays flat and it goes into consolidation. But if it keeps going up, the further it goes up, I just believe the more, watch how I spin it, opportunity to buy we're going to have. So that's what I'm going to say. We'll have more opportunity because some people are either hot or cold. They're either bearish or bullish. We're strategists, so we're going to strategize on what we're going to buy and when we're going to buy it. We're going to keep you guys posted. Right now, I am cashing up. Remember when I was saying for every dollar, I was only investing 25 cents? Right now, for every dollar I invest, I'm only investing 10 cents and I'm keeping 90 in cash because I believe there's a pullback. Now, do not blindly follow stock up. Do your own research. Don't come back here and say Larry said. I'm just telling you what I see. That's what I do here on YouTube. I just tell you what I see and what I'm doing, okay? So don't be lazy. Do your own research. You are responsible for your pocketbook, as the old folk used to say, right? But me, I'll wait. And if it keeps going, I'm already heavily invested in the market, so I can't lose. I won't make as much as I could have by putting more in, but between now and October, I believe there'll be a pullback. And if it's not, I'll still be good. How about you? So I'm gonna talk inspiration. Gregory Millens, who is texting me right now, he did a wonderful job this morning. I wanted him to do the inspiration today. And he's a good brother, and he's real positive. He's a pastor. And he did this thing with holding the water, real simple, holding the water. He said if you held it for 5 minutes, or if I asked you to hold it for 1 minute, could you do it? Yes. 5 minutes, could you do it? Yes. He said a couple of hours and you holding a bottle of water out, it gets difficult. For a year, most won't be able to do it. And he was just saying that you need to lay some old things down. And that was going to be my message today, my inspirational message, that you need to put down some things that's holding you back. Is it procrastination? All of us suffer with a little procrastination, including myself. But I decided that the things that I do today will affect tomorrow's Larry. Not just Larry, it will affect Larry's daughters, and it will affect Larry's grandchildren. And I want you to think about that. If you're not thinking about your children, but you should, because the Bible says a good man leaves an inheritance for his children's children. So you got to have enough wealth for 3 generations. You're supposed to leave your grandchildren something. Think about yourself first. Of course, if the plane is going down, they instruct you to put the oxygen mask on yourself first so that you will be good for your passenger, okay? Or for the other person that's with you, or children. So think about the older you. Think about the tomorrow you. What decisions are you making today that the tomorrow you is going to say thank you for? See, I wish I had more knowledge so I could be more thankful to the younger me. There are some things I'm thankful for the younger me. I'm thankful to the younger me that I didn't go out and populate the world like other musicians did. I'm thankful now, the older me, I'm thankful to the younger me. But there's so much more I wish I'd have done financially, okay? Players out there, players. You say, I'm gonna slow down and I'm gonna eventually get married. All you players out there. Well, I can tell you this, you don't speed up to a brick wall and then decide to stop 1 second before the brick wall. You can't do 90 and then an inch away from the brick wall, you put on brakes. You gotta slow down and you gotta stop before that. So think about the tomorrow you, players. You wanna get married? Start working on yourself first. Start working on, getting right, getting clean, being healthy, making good choices, being right with God, being right with the Lord. Start thinking about that and then find your good thing. You can't play up to the day you get married. I'm just keeping it real. This is the way I talk, good people. And as far as your finances, the things that you've been procrastinating with. Oh, I'm gonna do this tomorrow. I'm gonna join Money Moves next Monday or next year or next. Meanwhile, you're wasting 3 times what Money Moves costs on junk. Think about it. So make the decision now with your health, with your wealth, with your walk with the Lord, your walk with Christ. You say, I'm gonna get right, I'm gonna get right, I'm gonna get right. Why not today? You can watch this video and get right now. And just be prepared and see what God has in store for you. He's waiting on you to make the move. I always say, Moses with the army behind him and the sea in front of him, crying out to God, and God said, Moses, why are you bothering me? I already given you the tools. All right? And so that's what I want to say to you. Make decisions today that tomorrow you will say thank you. And start today, good people. That's my inspirational message. Let's go. Hey, for my money movers, I will be traveling on Monday, but I will be live trading in Money Moves Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, okay? This is the last day of Invest Fest, and it has been nothing short of a festival, okay? I will see you guys later. Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.